Alright, y'all, what's popping? What's popping? Alright, before we do this, we're going to do a shameless shout out for black owned businesses. We have the Black Birkin, the Telfar. Get you one. Oh, hold up. And we have the Ki by KN. And we also have the Coho scarf by Ki by KN. But what we here today for is I'm gonna show y'all how I protect my designer heels. So what we got today is my Wangs. Right now I'm waiting for getting my pieces embroidered. So I decided that I was just gonna do this real quick because I want to wear these in the shoot that I'm about to do, and I do not want to mess up the bottom of these shoes. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use these sole protectors that I got from Amazon. They have the red bottoms on the front. Keep scissors in your car. As a fashion designer, I always have scissors around me. Like, there's not a time that I don't have scissors. That is a necessity in my life. So I keep scissors in my car. So what we're going to do is just open them. So these are what the bottoms of them look like right now. Excuse my nails, we're going through some things, but we're gonna get it together. But this is not a nail video. I don't even know what this is on the bottom because I haven't even worn them yet. I don't know why I just touched my face, not once but twice. So I'm just gonna wipe this off really quick. It's gonna be a quick fast tutorial because it'll take me like 15 minutes to get these done. So I'm just gonna wipe these off because I want them to be super clean before I put this on. So if you do wipe your heels off before you do this, make sure you dry it so the adhesive adheres to the soles of the shoes. Alright, so that's all clean. So what I'm going to do is take the actual sticky thing, take it off the paper, get your shoe. Got your shoe, and we just gonna, so you're gonna have to angle it a little bit. So I'm just gonna angle it in a way that it gets the entire sole. I mean, it's cut off in like these corners on the side corner, and I'm just going to try to smear it out good enough so there's no air bubbles. I mean, I'm not really pressed that much because it's at the bottom of my shoe. My personal reasons, I want it to look pretty flush. So now it's on there like this, and what I'm gonna do is just cut the remaining off. Like this. And if you're doing it with a shoe that has like embellishments on this area, I would recommend you are more careful than I'm doing it right now. But since it's studs right there, I can kind of be a little bit more like, just get it off tight. Time. I'll also recommend using some sharp scissors. These is like scissors I don't really be caring about. That's why I just threw them in the car. I would have preferred to do this with my sewing scissors, but whatever, girl. So we got the corners. The bottom looks like. It's good enough. So that's one. The second one, we'll try to make it a little bit more flush. So this is the clean surface. We're just gonna, that's the best way to show y'all. We're going to line it up, and since this curves on an angle, like I said the first time, I'm going to do it at an angle and take my time a little bit more with this one. Hold up. Can y'all see? Yeah. She's going there. I mean, it doesn't necessarily need to be perfect because it's on the bottom of the shoe. And right now I just want to get it on here because I've been wanting to get it on here for some time because I haven't even worn these because I've been wanting to do this. So now we got the time right now to do it. And that's a 10-minute tutorial on how I seal the bottoms of my shoes. And the only thing I don't like about it is like the air bubbles, but like I said, it don't really matter. So what I'm going to do is put them on, and there is one. Super cute. It's a cute flick. Now I'm more confident to wear this because I just want to keep them pristine. Cute. Thank you guys for watching. If you did this to your designer shoes, I'm happy for you. I'll be back with more tricks and tips. I'm about to turn this air on because I'm hot. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more styling tips and fashion tips from Kai. Peace.